If you are still spending hours editing podcasts and videos manually in 2026, this AI tool could completely change the way you create content. Today, I'm showing you how to use Async.com, one of the most talked about AI audio and video creation platforms right now. And honestly, this tool feels like having an AI editing assistant built directly into your browser. Async.com is basically an all-in-one AI platform where you can record, edit, clean up, generate, and publish audio and video content without needing professional editing experience. The platform is mainly designed for podcasters, YouTubers, marketers, businesses, and creators who want faster workflows without constantly switching between different editing apps. When you first open async.com, the setup is very simple. You create an account, upload a video or audio file, or start recording directly inside the platform. One of the biggest features people love is the text-based editing system. Instead of dragging clips manually on a timeline, Async automatically creates a transcript of your content and lets you edit by simply deleting words or sentences from the transcript itself. That alone can save a huge amount of time for beginners. Another feature that stands out is the AI audio enhancement tool called Magic Dust, which automatically removes background noise and improves microphone quality. A lot of users online say this feature makes cheap recordings sound much more professional. Async also includes AI voice generation, subtitles, translations, dubbing, eye contact correction, AI avatars, and automatic clipping tools that can turn long videos into short clips for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. One thing that makes Async different from many competitors is that it tries to keep everything inside one workflow. Instead of recording in one app, editing in another, adding subtitles somewhere else, and then publishing manually, Async combines most of those steps together in one dashboard. The platform also recently added access to over 100 AI models for video generation, images, avatars, music, and sound effects, which makes it much more than just a podcast editing tool now. Based on user reviews online, many creators really like how beginner-friendly the interface feels and how quickly they can create polished content without learning advanced editing software like Premiere Pro. A lot of users also praise the AI voice quality and automatic audio cleanup because they sound surprisingly natural compared to older AI tools. But to keep this tutorial honest, there are definitely some downsides too. Some users complain about billing issues, subscription renewals after free trials, and occasional bugs or lagging performance during editing. Others mention that certain AI features sometimes give inconsistent results depending on the project. There are also mixed opinions about customer support, with some users calling it responsive, while others had frustrating experiences. So this is definitely one of those tools where the free trial is important before committing to a paid plan. My honest opinion is that Async.com is one of the best AI content creation tools in 2026 for creators who want speed, automation, and easier workflows without becoming professional editors. It is especially useful for podcasters, YouTubers, businesses, and social media creators who publish content regularly and want to save time. Advanced editors may still prefer traditional editing software for full control, but for most creators, Async feels much faster and easier to use. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more honest AI tool breakdowns in 2026, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the next AI tool you want me to review.